Hey guys, so I've got my November Allure beauty box here, and this one is up a little bit late because Allure was a little bit late getting these sent out, and it's totally understandable because they were running a $1 box promo. So the boxes were only $1, and I'm sure they were just bombarded with orders. So they are frequently running promos like free gift with purchase or half off. So I will put their information down in the info box if you guys do want to check them out. And it is a good subscription if you don't like surprises because you can see on their website all of the things that are going to be in the box. So this month's box, it has, it's about your beauty routine. And it looks like it's just jam-packed with goodies here. So this is an organic flowers toner, and oh, it's a very cute little bottle that will actually be good for travel. And it's definitely enough product to get a good idea of whether or not it works for your skin. That's really nice. And this is Wander Beauty. I've never tried a Wander Beauty product before, but I know they're really popular now. Wander Beauty Upgraded Lashes Treatment Mascara. And it's in like a squeeze tube. I've never seen a mascara like that before. And this is, let's see what's next. This is a Simple Cleanser, Simply by Helena. And this is a pretty good size cleanser. It's a 2-ounce cleanser, so it'd be good for travel. And I haven't heard of this brand before, but it's a nice little container. And let's see what else is here. This is a Neogen Dermatology Probiotics Youth Repair Cream. And this is also like a good little travel bottle for, seems like it might be it's an anti-wrinkle cream. It might be nice to wear at night. And let's see, this is a Tarte product. And this is a full-size product. So I think the Wander Beauty mascara is full size. I think this Tarte Quick Stick is full size. So this Quick Stick has eyeliner on one end. Ooh, that's really nice and dark. And on the other end, it has shadow. So it literally is a quick stick. Like you can just pop this out and do your whole eye look just with this one stick. And this is an Ico eyelash curler. And I actually don't really like eyelash curlers. I don't really like the way that they make my lashes look. So I'll probably be giving this one away, but it does look like a cute little eyelash curler. And this is an item that was a free gift with this box. And I think they are currently doing 1 or 2 free gifts with their current box. This is an Akar Skin eye serum. And I've heard a little bit about this brand. I will say that the bottle is really pretty, and it's a pretty decent size for eye serum. And this is a Piliani antioxidant-rich face oil, and it says that it's a 30-day supply of face oil. Oh, this bottle's really tiny, but it's also really pretty. So wow, 30 days. So maybe they just feel that you should just use a little bit each day, like maybe just a drop each day. And last but not least is this Neutrogena Stubborn Blackheads Daily Serum. So this is just like a small sample. I've never actually had a blackhead product that's been successful. I have tried those like pore strips that were popular for a while. I guess they are still kind of popular, but I don't think they were very effective, and I've also since learned that those are really not good for your skin. So I'm interested to try this and see if this is actually successful at removing blackheads. And a serum is definitely safer and gentler for your skin, I would think, than the pore strips. So that was my November Allure box, and I will put their information down in the info box. And if you guys have any questions at all, I would love to answer, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.